I thought I would show you how to make a really simple GIF in Photoshop so you can use it as an Insta story to promote your merch or maybe a product. For this GIF, I'm going to use these 3 images that I have of some iPhone backgrounds that are available on my website. To make the GIF in Photoshop, all you have to do is open Photoshop, go File, Scripts, load files into Stack, and select the images you want to use. This will make sure that all the images are in the one file so it is easy to edit it. Because I want to make my own nice background, I'm going to use the magic eraser and just get rid of the background on each one of these. If you haven't already got this timeline bit up down the bottom, all you have to do is go Help, type Timeline and bring it up, or go Window, Timeline, and it will also bring it up there for you. If you're making this GIF, you want to make sure that it is create frame animation instead of create video timeline. Once you have this up, we also want to make sure that it is the right size for your Insta story. So we'll go Image, Canvas size, and change this to pixels and make it 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. That way it is the right size. Now, I also want to make sure that these images are bigger and also down the bottom so I have room to make text. So I'll just highlight them with the Shift key, bring them down, and resize them. And boom, nice color, yeah. And so now we're going to make the animation. So what I would recommend is making sure that the little eye is off on all of these. And we'll hit Create Frame Animation. Now we're going to hit the eye again on the first frame that we want, so that layer. And then we'll press the plus little square here, which will create another frame, and we'll turn the eye off there and bring the next one up, and do the exact same for the next. There we have it. Now we want to change the time from 0 seconds so that it doesn't go crazy, and make it maybe 0.5. So there we have it. We have our really simple, quick and easy GIF. Now before we are finished, we actually need to make it a little bit longer so we can export it as a video and use it in our Insta story. So to do that, you just highlight all 3 of these and press the little plus square thing there and duplicate it a number of times so that it's at least 15 seconds long to use in your Insta story. From here, I'm going to go File, Export, and Render Video. I'm not going to use the text. I'm not going to put the text in beforehand because I want to make it feel natural in Instagram by using their fonts. And I'll show you how to look in my phone. So now I have my GIF on my phone. All I'm going to do to upload it into my stories is press the camera, swipe up, and select the GIF that I'm going to use. And now all I'm going to do is add my font and say New iPhone wallpapers available on the website. And then maybe I'll add another little GIF that says link in bio so people know exactly where to go to grab it. And we'll just put that there, and there you have it. That is how you can do your own little GIFs.